Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your company account is active and enrolled in the company portal. This lets policies sync. Next, sign in with your corporate credentials and complete multi-factor authentication so you can access settings securely. Make sure your device has a stable network connection and at least 20% battery to avoid interruptions. Once signed in, navigate straight to devices in the portal. This begins the settings update flow and prevents configuration drift across apps. You select the target device from the devices list, confirming model and last sync time so you modify the intended endpoint. Then open the Configuration or Settings tab to change Wi-Fi profiles, VPN definitions, encryption, and app permissions. Explain why each change matters for security and access. After editing, apply the policy and press Sync now to push updates. Make sure to watch the progress indicator and wait for a successful confirmation before moving on to dependent apps. You verify changes directly on the device by checking the updated settings, app access, and compliance status in Company Portal. This confirms the policy took effect. If a policy didn't apply, force a manual sync and reboot the device, because many agents finalize only on restart. If errors persist, note error codes and the device ID, then contact IT for escalation. Providing those details speeds resolution and prevents repeated misconfiguration across other endpoints.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.